congratulations on joining the party again. But you have the Congress party asking, how's the Josh?
The Congress party has started hating Narendra Modi ji so much that their hate transmutates and mutates into hatred for India. Sometimes in the name of opposition to Prime Minister Modi, they oppose the Supreme Court, they oppose the Indian Army, they oppose the democratic institutions, the Election Commission, and today they are opposing even the Rashtriya Suraksha, national interest and national security of this country. Look at the manner in which yesterday the events played out. The Prime Minister was scheduled to visit a rally and before that a memorial. He was supposed to dedicate projects worth thousands of crores to the people of Punjab and pay obeisance to the great Sardar Bhagat Singh ji. He was originally planned to go by chopper, but because there was inclement weather, the plan was changed that he would go by road. But whenever the Prime Minister changes a plan, that plan is not made only by the Prime Minister. In fact, only when the state government and the state police gives a green signal, because law and order is a state subject, control of roads, routes, and travel on the roads is entirely the prerogative of the state government. So only when the DGP gave a green signal did the Prime Minister then decide that he will go by the road. Now, when a route is decided by the DGP or by the Punjab police, why is that route, which is a sanitized route, which is a classified route, leaked to the people or to not people or protesters? I would call them as paid political operatives of the Congress party so that they can come and harm the Prime Minister bodily. And the proof of this has come out because one of the so-called protesters has come on record to say that the police had told them that the Prime Minister is coming by a particular route. Secondly, if you have seen 3 letters of the Punjab police, internal letters or inputs have been leaked now in the media that on 1st, 2nd and on 4th of January, the Punjab police and the government were told that alternative arrangements for Prime Minister's movement should be made. And secondly, that there is a potential or a possibility of political elements trying to obstruct the movement of the VVIPs. This information was with the Punjab government. So why is Mr. Channi saying कि ये कुदरती था, ये तो अचानक हो गया, ये संयोग नहीं, ये प्रयोग था, ये खूनी साजिश थी, and therefore the DGP gave a fake clearance. The Punjab police leaked the route to paid political operatives. The Punjab police did nothing to sanitize the route. They in fact were sipping tea with these paid political operatives. In many of the videos it can be seen. And they allowed them to come very close to the Prime Minister and attack the Prime Minister. And then when Mr. Channi was being called, he was not available on the phone. And in fact, Channi or the Chief Secretary or the DGP did not accompany the Prime Minister. And they gave all kinds of excuses. Channi ji saying कि मैं एक COVID patient के touch में था इसलिए मैं नहीं जा पाया. But in the evening, he was doing a press conference without the mask. This shows that the Congress party planned at the highest levels to ensure that the Prime Minister gets hurt physically, and they were planning कि राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा में खिलवाड़ हो, and therefore you have leaders of Congress party asking how's the Josh.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.